Yes, good morning, children. Welcome back to your online classes. Yes, you all are completing your notes now. So after completing your notes, every Friday you should bring for correction. Okay, children? Every Friday, classwork, homework. You may think it is incomplete. Why we should take for correction? No. How much you have written? No. That much you have to bring for correction. Okay, children? Every Friday you have to come. So we completed lesson number 1, large numbers. We have completed lesson number 2, addition and subtraction. We'll go for lesson number 3. Lesson number 3, multiplication. So if you want to do multiplication, so what you should do? You have to learn tables. You have to learn tables. Division, multiplication, you have to learn tables. So page number 124. Page number 124. Let's recall. Ankita reads 22 pages of a story book every day from Monday to Friday. Every day, 22 pages of a story book from Monday to Friday. How many pages did she read in 5 days? If she read equal number of pages every day. So, what is multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Okay, addition. But you have to learn tables, children. So, every day she read 22 pages, Ankita. From Monday, one day, 22 pages means 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 5 days, how much she will read? So one day, 22 means, see, I'll show you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So up to Friday. See, I told multiplication. See, I'll write it here. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. See, repeated addition. So, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1 carry, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plus 1, 11. So, she read 110 pages. This is repeated addition. See, multiplication is a repeated addition. So, Ankita, one day she'll read 22 pages for 5 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days. So, see here, 22 into 5. See here, 22 pages I have written. This is a multiplicator. This is a multiplier. We'll multiply by 5 for multiplication. See, 22 pages one day. For 5 days, how much? So, what we should do multiplication. 5 2s are 10. 10, you should not write direct here. 2 number comes means you should not write 2 number. If 1 number comes, you can write directly. 5 2s are 10 means this 0 here, 1 carry here. How you will do addition? If 2 number come here, 1 carry there. Like that only 5 2s are. But here, see here means 2 plus 2. 2 in the mind, 2 on my finger after 2, 3, 4 like that. Here 5 2s are 10. See here. 5 ones are tables. This is a multiplier. 5 2s are 10. 0. After 1 carry. Once again 5 2s are 5 ones are tables only we have to do. Here this is a multiplier. This is a multiplicand. So 5 2s are 10. Once again 5 2s this 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. See here, when I do multiplication also I got 110. When I do repeated addition, multiplication is a repeated addition. So this also 110 pages. If I add 22, 22, 22, 22, 22, 5 times because 5 days she'll read Monday to Friday. So if I add also 110, If I do multiplication also 110. So multiplication is a repeated addition. So you can't do always addition. So you should learn tables. Okay, children? It can also be calculated by multiplication. So I'll rub this. Page number 124, exercise 1. Page number 124. Open 124, children. Here, first exercise 1. Exercise 1. First main. Only one main is there. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. 8 into 9. See, they have given 8 into 9. You may think 8 9s are, you should know. No, here equals is there. I told no, comparing the symbol like that only, this also. Into, here dash is there. So if it is equal, here 8 9s means here 9 is there. 9 8s are. First answer is 8. Second one, 23. 123 into dash 123. If answer is 123, here what number will come? What number will come? See here, if you do 123 ones are 123. So 123 zeros are 123. So your answer is 0. Your answer is 0. Sorry, not 0, children. Here B1 I ought to do. See, sorry. B1 dash 0 into dash into 73 equals 0. So if answer is 0, that is 123 ones are 123. Here 0. Answer is 0 means here what it will come? 0 only, because 0 73 is a 0. So B, that side B is there. Third one, 123 into 123. So what it will come? 123 ones are. If it is 0 here means, see, if it is 0 here means it should come 0. So this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong because here 0 is there. Yes, no? Here 0 is there means in 0 only we have to multiply. If 123 same answer is there, see, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So your answer is 1. So your answer is 1. C1. C1 is 1. Now D. D is 735 into 10. See here? 735 into 10. If you take 0 0s are 0 5s are 0, all it will come, see. 0 5s are 0, 0 3s are 0, 0 7s are 0. So next here 2 numbers. So you should go for second step. Plus, when you go for second step, where you start, no? You should put 0. 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 7s are 7. So your answer is 0 5 3 7. So when you want to write direct answer, if 0 is there, you won't multiply by 0. So only 1 is there. So first number if you leave, 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 7s are 7, this 0 you can write. So your answer is 7350. Got it? 7350. Yes, E. If 2 zeros, only here in 1's place 0, 10's place 0 means you can multiply direct answers. Here 1, 1 6 are 6. These 2 zeros I can write directly. So your answer is 600. Your answer is 600. E1. Okay, see, I'm writing E. This is A, B, C, D, E. Next is F. F question is, F is 56. 56-48-6. See here, I told now 56 dash equals 48, 56. So here equals is this. So you should exchange that. Answer is 48. Compare both the sums. We have G. G is 7 into 5. You know 7 5s are how much? Question is 7 5s are. 7 5s are how much? 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. G, H. H, 8 8s are. See 8 8s are how much? 8 into 8. So you should say tables. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64. Your answer is 64. See, this is repeated addition, children. See here. I'll show you. See, 7 5s are 35. Yes, no? 5 times 7, I'll write, see, 7, 7, 7, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 in the mind, 7 on my finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. When you do this, 14. Now, 14 in the mind, 7 on my finger. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 plus 7 once again. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. See, this is repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. Got it, children? So I have written like this, okay? Next, H after I. I is 24 into 200. 24 into 200. See, last time I have written here 6 into 100. You may think, ma'am, see 1 6 are 6, 2 0. Here, same number you should not write 2. 2 4s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Once again 2. 2 2s are here. First from this number, this is a table. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. So this direct answer 0. So your answer is 4,800. Next is J. I'll rub it. J, 51 into 300. See here, 51 into 300. If 0 is there, you can write in the middle. If it is 0, see if it is like this, 51 into 305. You should do step by step 3 times. You should do step by step because here 5, beginning 5 is there. You may think, oh, we'll write direct answer. No, this you can't write direct answer, children. See 5 1s are, see 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 0, 0 plus 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So if you do like this step by step, see if 305 here 5 number, if it is there means you should do step by step. Here 51 into 300 beginning only 0 is there. So what I'll do, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. After this 0, if I do add means you will get 15,300. See here 5. If beginning all 0 means you can write direct answer. Only one number means you can do multiplication direct and you can bring down that 0. If your number is there, you have to do step by step. So I got 15,300. Yes, copy down all in the textbook, page number 124. Yes, you copied, I think so. See here, I have started lesson number 3, children, but lesson number 1, large numbers, it came in PDF. So this week it will come lesson number 2, addition and subtraction. So how much you have written, bring for correction. Don't wait, I did not complete, it is incomplete. No, children, how much you have written, wait for a minute, we'll do correction and we'll give it back, okay? Homework and classwork. But for FA1, first round test, FA1 test, lesson number 1, large numbers. Lesson number 2, addition and subtraction. So 2 lessons also classwork, just you refer. You know how to do 1 sum, you can do in your rough book, okay children? And we'll send worksheet also in the PDF. So it may come, I think so, in this week. So complete worksheet. As I told, max 2 horizontal book is there. 1 is for classwork, 1 is for homework. Other 5 classwork, 5 books are there, no? 1 is for Kannada, half classwork, half homework. Hindi, half classwork, half homework. 1 is for English classwork. 1 is for English homework. No, sorry, 6 books are there, no? So 1 is for Kannada, 1 is for Hindi, 1 is for EVS, 1 is for English. So other remaining 2 books are there. In 2 books, 1 is general homework, EVS and English together. Don't do partition, children, just continue. Write heading English homework. Next page EVS homework. So write like that only. 1 is general homework. 1 more book is worksheet. What we are sending in PDF, no, that is classwork. So 1 will mention English worksheet, EVS worksheet, Maths worksheet, Kannada worksheet, Hindi worksheet. For all 5 subjects, 1 book only. Don't do partition, children. Don't do. So first page, if you start English means how much page to complete? No, I think 3 to 4 pages it will take. Okay. After that, you should mention English revision. English revision. So next, what revision it has come now? See, maths. Next, you write maths revision. Revision or worksheet, maths worksheet. You can write worksheet also, sorry. That only revision, that only one worksheet also. Okay, children. English worksheet, first page you start English worksheet. Complete all English worksheet. Next page only, turn the page, write heading. Don't continue down, okay. Next new page, maths worksheet. After completing maths, next page, Kannada worksheet. Next, if EVS comes means EVS worksheet. So in 1 book, complete all. Don't throw after writing this worksheet. This is July and August worksheet. July and August. For worksheet, you can write WS. So mention that after completing, you should read for test. After the test, you should not throw that book. After 5 subjects, in 10 pages to 15 pages, you will get. After that, leave 1 page. We'll give September worksheet, September-October worksheet. So you can complete that. Don't throw the book. Don't waste the pages. Write neatly, children. Okay. So you copied, I think so. Shall I rub the board? So here, multiplicand and multiplier and product. When we multiply 2 numbers, see example sums I'll do, children. When we multiply 2 numbers, 187 into 2, 3. Like this. If you don't know to multiply down, if you get confusion, you can multiply like this. You can multiply like this. If you multiply like this also, you'll get the same answer, but step by step. If 1 number means direct answer, you can write. If 2 numbers means step by step. See, we should start from 1's place. So here, see, this is multiplier. This is multiplier. This is multiplicand. So which we get answer, no? That we called as product. For addition, we called answer sums. For subtraction, we call difference. For multiplication, product. So find the product means it's a multiplication. 2, 3 ones are 3, first number. For this, we have to do 3 ones are 3, up to 7 only. 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21. You got 2 number. So this one, you should write straight here. This 2, after 7, what? Here, 2 carry. Once again, 3 only. You should not go once again 2 sevens are like that. First, 3 sevens are, 3 eights are, 3 ones are. So only I did like this. See, 3 sevens are 21. Wait, I write and show that set, children. I do both the sums. 3 sevens are 21. Here, after 3 eights are 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. You can write the tables in the after red column. It is there, no? 3 eights are 24, 25, 26. 2, 6 it is coming. See, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 24, 25, 26, 2 carry. 6 here, 2 next number. I'll show here. You finish 3 sevens are. So next 3 eights are. 3 eights are 24, 25, 26. After 3 ones are 3, 4, 5. Here 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. Next you should put now down 1 plus. In third standard you have learned 0. If you write 0, you get confusion because if next number comes 0 also, you will get confusion. So I have put plus. Next we completed this. We'll go for 2. 2 sevens are, how much? Say the tables. 2 ones are, 2 sevens are 14. 14. Next is 1 carry because this carry is for this step. So next 2 sevens are 14, 1 carry. You may think this ma'am has written here only why 1 carry because I did for 2 sevens are 14. After next I have to do 8. So I have put next to 8. 2 eights are 16 plus 1, 17. 2 ones are 2, 3. Here. Next. You can do like this also. 2 sevens are 14. 1 carry. 2 eights are 16 plus 1, 17. 1 carry. 2 ones are 2, 3. So when you do see 1, see 1 plus is there, no? So 1, 6 plus 4, 6 in the mind, 4 on my finger after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 carry. You should not put 1 carry there because we are doing addition this 2 sums, okay? So I put 10, 1 carry. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 in the mind, 7 on my finger after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, 4. 1, 6 plus 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. For this only 1 carry. Because next step, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 7, 8, 9, 6 plus 7, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3, 1 carry, 4. So if you copy the question like this also, we get same answer. If you copy straight also, we'll get 4,301, 4,301. So this is the product. Got it? See, this is a multiplicand. We'll do multiplier by multiplicand. This is the product. See, step by step is it. The number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. To be multiplied from which number? This 23. This is the multiplier. The number by which the multiplicand is multiplied is called as multiplier. Okay. The next answer after multiplying multiplicand. See, after the answer after multiplying the multiplicand and the multiplier, we called it as product. These two will do multiply. The answer we called as product. So you got the answer 4,301 is the product. Okay, the multiplication facts. So we have completed exercise 1. Okay, children. Now page number 125, multiplication facts. See, any number multiplied by zeros. Any example, you may take any number multiplied by zeros. See, 0 6 are 0. You can't write 0 6 are 6. No. 6 ones are 6. 1 if you multiply only the same answer will come. If you multiply by 0, all see 0 6 are 0, 0 4 are 0, 0 8 are 0. Same I write. See, 8 4 6 into 1. See, 8 4 6 into 0 we got 0. 8 4 6 into 1, 1 6 are 6. 1 4 are 4. 1 8 are 8. So when we multiply by 0, the answer will be 0. When we multiply it by 1, the answer we get same answer itself. When we multiply by 10, 8, 4, 6 into 10, 0 end. So you can write direct answer 1 6 are 6, 1 4 are 4, 1 8 are 8, this 0. We get same answer but 0 will be extra. See 8,460. See. So, any number multiplied by 0 is 0 only. Any number multiplied by 1 gives the same answer. Okay, multiplication by 10. So, when we multiply by 10, we'll get 1 0 will add. So, 8,460. When we multiply by 100, see 1 6 are 6, 1 4 are 4, 1 8 are 8, this 2 0. You can do step by step also. So we'll get 84,600. 84,600. So 110 if we add, we'll be getting 0. That answer will get extra. So multiplication of any of a number by 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So we'll do. See, when we multiply by 10, we'll get the same answer, but we'll add 0 here. See, when we multiply by 100, we'll get same answer, we'll add 0. So when we multiply by 20, 30, I'll show. What number shall I write? When we multiply by 20, if I multiply by 10, we'll get the same number. When we multiply by 20, see 0 will bring it down. 2 5s are, say 2 1s are, 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 2 9s are, you can, 2 9s are 18. No one carrier, so I'll write direct answer. I'll bring down this 0. So when you multiply by 20, 30, it will be going repeated addition. Okay, it will be, answer will be different. So when we multiply by 200, 300, the 0 will be adding. Okay, so we'll be adding 0, but the answer will get different. So when 0 is there, we can write direct answer. Okay, see here, if 9, 3, 5 into 2, 5. We should do. You can't bring this to like this. See, now you copied like this answer. No. Here, 5. We write this is wrong. If here, you may think, ma'am did this number. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 9s are 18. Ma'am has done so first number. Bram brought 0 here. So we'll also do like this. 2 5s are 10. Like that. If you bring like this and if you bring 5 here, this is wrong. What we should do? 9, 3, 5 into 25. If 25 comes, first number 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. 1 carry, 5 9s are 45, 46. I'll show you now. 5 5s are, first from this number, we have to multiply everything. First step, see 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. You should, which number it is there, you should stop to that tables. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. 25. Here I have written 5, carry 2, carry. Next 5 3s are, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. 1 carry. Once again, 5 nines are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. 45 plus 1, 46. Next step. 2. Next, from 2 we have to multiply. 2 fives are 10. 1 carry. You put dash in the pencil. So that time you may not confusion this and this. 2 fives are 10. 1 carry. 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. 2 nines are 18. I'll show you here. So 18, 5, 7, 6 plus 7, 6 in the mind, 7 on my finger after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 carry. You should not put 1 carry there. This 2 we are adding. When dash is here, we have to put carrier. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 8. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, 1 carry. 2. See here. If like this it comes, you may think only 2 we have to do. This last 5 we take. See, this sum is wrong. Answer will be different. 2 step it came, children. So this is correct. Got it? So you should do multiplication step by step. Okay. So you do example sums. You try for 200, 300, 400, like the 2000. If thousands it comes, we can take that 0 directly. That number we can do multiplication. So exercise 2, I'll do it in the next class. So today I'll give only tables homework. Take out your maths homework. What I taught now first and all, that is you should practice in your rough book. Now I'm giving see maths homework. Maths homework today only tables. 2 ones are 2, 12 ones are 1 time. So because you have to learn table, then only you can do multiplication. Tables, 2 ones are 2, 12 ones are means 2, 12 are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up to 12, 1 time. Okay, children? Here I'll end my class. Thank you.